A native app is an app that is developed for one particular operating system, e.g. iOS or Android only. Native apps are usually downloadable via app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Native apps, compared to web apps, can take full advantage of the device's features like camera, vibration, and GPS. What is an example of a native application? Let's dive into some of the examples of native apps for different platforms. Instagram, a social media app that allows you to effortlessly share photos and videos with your followers. Facebook, a popular social network app that lets you connect with your friends, share updates, and explore content. What is the difference between native and non-native apps? Native apps are designed exclusively for a specific operating system and offer better performance and a more seamless user experience. In contrast, non-native apps can run on multiple platforms and are more cost-effective and quicker to develop, but may have performance limitations. What is Native AppVeer's custom app? They're also popular because they're considered to be native apps. They come pre-installed on our devices or are quickly downloaded from an app store. These apps are designed with a general user experience in mind. On the other hand, custom apps offer you the chance to tailor an experience to your precise needs. How does a native app work? For example, developers write iOS applications in Objective-C or Swift, while they create Android native apps in Java. Native apps work with the device's OS in ways that enable them to perform faster and more flexibly than alternative application types. How to know if a mobile app is native or hybrid? The core difference between native is platform-specific. You need to develop a separate app for Android and iOS users, while the hybrid is a multi-platform approach. When you see the web pages in the mobile application, it is known as WebView. What are the disadvantages of native mobile apps? 3. Disadvantages of native apps. Time-consuming development. The development process of native applications is often considerably more time-consuming than its cross-platform counterparts. High cost. Native app development often involves considerable financial resources, which could put a strain on the budget. Complex update. Is native app good? Native apps have the best performance. Native apps are very fast and responsive because they are built for a specific operating system and are compiled using the platform's core programming language and APIs. As a result, the app is much more efficient. Why are native apps secure? Here's why native apps have the best security. Control over platform. Native apps are built using a specific platform's language, which means that developers can create unique code that creates a secure environment on each device. Difference between native apps and web apps. Native apps. Native apps are installed onto the device itself and are developed especially for a particular operating system. These apps are available on app stores such as Apple App Store, Google Play Store, etc. Native apps work in specific operating systems such as Apple iOS, Android, or Windows. If an is app made for Android, then it will not work on Apple iOS or Windows. We have to build separate apps for each operating system if we want our app to work across all major operating systems. This means we have to spend more money and more effort, time, resources. Onpassive will release the native app for OConnect, the video conferencing platform, very soon, within days, not weeks. Go to onpassive.com and receive 3 free digital products and receive a 14-day free trial of OConnect.